This is the Tecno Camon 19 Pro Mondrian edition, and the most spectacular thing about this phone is its dynamic color. Beautiful white color when indoors and changes to a color palette once you step outdoors. But what more is there to this phone aside a color changing design? The Tecno Camon 19 Pro Mondrian is pretty much a Camon 19 Pro in a new body. I'm sure this design reminds you of a Rubik's Cube or Big Brother's chair, but that's on a lighter note. This design is brought about by Tecno's collaboration with the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston, and it uses sunlight drawing technology to change its colors when exposed to daylight. In simpler terms, it changes color when outdoors. This color palette design can be attributed to the Dutch painter Pro Mondrian. I hope I've said that name correctly. The Camon 19 Pro Mondrian comes in this pretty box, which looks like an extension of its design and contains some extra Mondrian themed accessories, with the most appreciated being the Technosonic One True Wireless earbuds, which sound really great, and I think it's currently being sold separately if you want one. Probably the best I've used so far from Tecno. I'm not sure the retail box will still have all of these accessories though. The Mondrian Camon 19 Pro should retail for somewhere around 180,000 naira. So I took this one out to get some reactions about its design, and I'd say most were impressed.
Yeah, it's like they copied the piano design. It's good.
Okay. Yeah. That's nice. I think it's better in person than even in video. Really? Yeah.
That's nice. Aesthetically pleasing.
Thank you. Nice one. Wow. Tecno. Wow.
Can't get so much.
I think we've talked enough about its design. Let's move on to performance and other things that actually makes a phone worthwhile. If you've seen my review of the Camon 19 Pro, safe to say you've pretty much got a review of this. To put it straightforward, they are the exact same device with the exception of its color changing design. Same processor, same display, same camera specifications, and pretty much the same overall performance. Now, one of the best features of the regular Camon 19 Pro is its 50 megapixel telephoto camera, which is still the same here to give you really good portrait shots. You'll be surprised how good the photos are, especially in perfect lighting conditions. So, if you are considering getting the Camon 19 Pro, I would recommend choosing the Mondrian edition for obvious reasons. However, if you already own the regular Camon 19 Pro, there is no need getting this unless Tecno is offering swap deals or you have a specific preference for this color changing design. That is all for this video. Peace.